yourself up off the floor, fall down. Your mind's broken and body's so first thought, how is it all come to this now? Caught making up for all you missed. Wake up, time to face your biggest fear and no, the bottle never make things clear. Life won't wait for you, it never has. She won't understand your love, her part you needed to collapse. So take blame, know that you are better off. Can you still recover all you've lost? Wake up, it's time to take it back. Wake up, wake up. All the things you did and said can always be forgiven. Honestly, apologies should just be the beginning. Wake up, promises they never keep. She's done listening to what they preach. Just one kept his word and changed her life. She left all the walls fall down inside. Wake up, he was worse than all the rest. He left, but didn't she give him her best? Now back, said he wasn't thinking straight. Even though she loves him, is it really up too late? And she blames him for everything they lost. Take him back, or is he better off? Wake up, it's time to take it back. Wake up, wake up. All the things you did and said can always be forgiven. Honestly, apologies should just be the beginning. Whoa, stop living in the past. What's done is done, now go get it back. And when you fall off the tracks, remember it's never too late to face it. So take blame, now that you are better off. Can you still wake up? It's time to take it back. Wake, I will wake up. All the things you did and said can always be forgiven. Honestly, apologies should just be the beginning. Oh, it's time to take it back. Wake up. All the things you did and said can always be forgiven. And honestly, apologize, apologize, apologize. They stand in front of you just waiting to be judged. The only hope he holds on to is you loved him enough.